So I'm going to show you now how to tune into your root chakra and start to clear your own energy so you feel more stable, secure, grounded, healthy, full of vital energy. So what I want you to do is take your pendulum, open up your sacred soul space so you're tuning into your pendulum, raising your vibration through the heart energy. And then just take your awareness into your root chakra. And now I want you to say a small affirmation, and you can use your own. You know how you feel when you think about your root chakra and the themes that that means: stability, groundedness, security, safety, moving forward with ease, making the right decisions, having control over your life and the direction it's going in. So choose the words that feel right to you. But we're going to make an invocation to Saturn. So you can do it with your eyes open or your eyes closed. So just imagine the root chakra, so end of the tailbone, let's say. Imagine that as a red color. So I'm going to purposely spin this in a positive energy, in a positive motion to clear the energy. So this is how we would clear. We would force it to go in a clockwise motion. So I'm tuning into my root now. So just notice the current energy. In fact, you can ask, show me if my root chakra is open or closed. So it's open. Is my root chakra balanced? No, it's off balance. Okay. Is it safe for me to clear and balance my root chakra? Yes. So you can ask yourself those questions. You can do that on a daily basis. You could draw out the chakras. You could just put dots, that represent the 7 chakras, and you can is this balanced? Is my sacral balanced? Is my solar balanced? And you can go through and you can find the ones that aren't balanced and ask if it's safe for you to balance them, and do so. So I'm going to balance my root because I felt off. So invocation to Saturn that rules over my root. Call upon the power of Saturn to work with me for my highest good as I clear and balance the energy of the root chakra, so I make clear decisions over my life. Saturn, help me make the right decisions for me to live the most fulfilled life. Help me with my daily routines. Help me build structure. Help me form healthy boundaries. And help me achieve my goals easily. Thank you. And it is so. And just do that until you feel you notice a shift or the pendulum stops turning in that clockwise motion. Okay, so that's stopped pretty much now. So is my root chakra now balanced and clear? So it's not saying yes and it's not saying no. Is there more work to do to clear this root chakra? Yes. Is that just clearing the energy with the pendulum now? Yes. Okay, so I'm going to just continue with that for a little bit longer. Taking my attention and my awareness into the root, clearing, balancing, stabilizing the energy as I call upon Saturn. As I do that, I'm imagining a beautiful ball of red light, a real nice, smooth, solid, really coherent, bold colour of red. Okay, that feels good. Okay, so is my root chakra balanced and clear? Yeah. Okay, good. So that's done. So try this on yourself, guys. It's a good one to use every day because our chakras get knocked out of balance all the time through our thoughts, through our environment, through things that we have going on. It's life. So this is the way that you can balance and clear your own energy. Take care.